Well, good morning, folks. This is a early morning uh, video just after the rain. It rained this morning. This is Tuesday, the 18th. So, yeah, I just want to give you guys a little brief look how everything's looking. The Roselle's sitting heavy again. I need to prop that up, but just want to give everybody an idea of what the rain does. Feeds all the plants and everything. They really enjoy that nutrients and everything that it gets from the rain. The kale's looking good. Look at this cabbage. Look at that cabbage head. And got another one there. Look at that. In there. Got a couple offshoots here. When we cut that other cabbage head. So kale looks really good. There's another one. Look at that. So come December, looks like there's gonna be some cabbage gonna get eaten. Look at the strawberry. That one looks like it's done. Let's taste it. It didn't hit the ground. It landed on some leaves. Come and taste it. It's got a sweet but bitter taste. So probably could have stayed on a little bit longer. But it was nice and juicy. Look at here. Tomatoes. Look at these tomatoes getting real big. Be nice and hearty. Yeah. Just want you guys to kind of see how everything is going so far. Zinnias, they just blooming and dying back and doing what they need to do. The eggplant. Remember, I took all the eggplants off of here, and there's already another one on there. I think that was a little small one they left on there. Got some more peppers, a little bit. Basil, some bell pepper. Look at that bell pepper. It's growing. Got some more peppers back here. I think these are jalapenos. It's more. Oh, look at that. So, yeah, just a quick tour. Look at these. Look at these striped heirloom tomatoes. Nice deep purple. Get that striped look on the bottom. These are nice and fat and juicy. Look at those. Nothing here. Got some flowers though. Look at that. Let's come over here. This thing is packed full of tomatoes. Well, not tomatoes, but the plants. I remember I had the zucchini, and not zucchini. Okra was in here, and I took the plants out, and the tomato plants didn't have anything to support them because I took their support system away. But they seem to be doing pretty good in there. Put some bamboo sticks in there to kind of give them something to latch onto, and they're latching onto the frame of this Easy Cube here. So I don't see any tomatoes in there yet, but hopefully we'll still get some. So close that back up. And over here, got the veggie bags. These are the raised bed. So got beans in there and stuff. Got some beans right here in this green stalk. Got the garlic over here and the potatoes that were planted. So, and then over here is the tomatillos. That's a fig tree right there, but never get anything off of there because the birds get everything first. So that's it. Yeah, I'll take you out front. You can see the other stuff real quick, and then we'll be done. It's got about this stuff over here, the banana plant, just some herbs. Um, Not sure what this is. Some bok choy and chop soy is over here, and I believe that's some cilantro right here. And then down here, the moringa, they're still doing good. You may have to take those in if it keeps on getting this cold. And then I got 2 tubs here for rainwater. Well, one's full and the other one's about a quarter full. So I'm trying to take advantage of that. So over here, this is out front. So it's grapevines. I had some little grapes on this one right here, but the roadrunner likes to come in the yard, and it has eaten all the little grapes that were on there, and they were all purple. So got uh, berries, got blueberries, bushels of, yeah, these are blueberries. Lemon, Myers lemon, and then other little fruit plants here. The dragon fruit is one I got from, I think, Lowe's. It hasn't produced anything yet, but I'm hoping next season with the other ones, they will produce something, get some flowers. So we shall see. And then we got basil, purple basil, tomato plants, zinnias are looking nice and full. Pollinators have been doing their thing. And then over here, another tomato plant with some lettuce in there. Look at that lettuce, looks red leaf lettuce. Looks really good. Got some tomatoes down here. And then I also have some over here too. I've actually been getting tomatoes off of here and eating them. I had another little tomato plant there, but the hornworm was on there yesterday, so ate all the leaves and stuff. But this one survived the attack. So that's pretty much it. Look at there. Look at that tomato. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, here's some other ones. Some nice ones on here. So, and these are out front, so doing our thing. All right, thanks for watching. You know what to do.